Okay guys, here we have a V45 Sabre. She's looking a little grotty at the moment, but that's the way these things roll. Okay, over here, if we can zoom in a bit, let's have a look. Down here, you can see the prototype circuit board. I might go in closer, just hang on a sec. Whoa, there we go. Alright. So there you can see two of the prototype boards when they come in focus. There you go. She's wired up to just a patch system so that I can actually get to the cables easily with the crow probes and then back into the standard wiring loom on the bike. Alright, so let's come back here. Oh, there we go. I'll zoom back out. Right, to the right, my right, you can see Yokogawa Crow set up, so we'll have a look at that once she's running, so that you can see the waveforms and see the timing relationship. Alright, let's give her a crank. Nothing out of the ordinary. There she is running. Now you might, if I go over, be able to see the green LEDs flashing. Now there, if I drop the idle, hang on, she's running on choke. See the red light coming on? That indicates we're in the 1200 RPM, well 1150 to 1250 RPM is what it's set to at the moment. So you can use that for idle drops and stuff. Okay, hang on, here we go. Try and get a good shot on the crow. So you can see the negative going peak on the first trace is the advance trigger at maximal advance. The positive going trigger pulse on the top trace is retard. On the bottom you can see the dwell interval, that's the actual voltage going out of the FET. So you can see dwell time is in front of the advance to make sure we get, what do we got here, we're on 2 milliseconds, 6 to 8 milliseconds of dwell, and then you've got, when it comes up you can see the firing spike. So she's idling at the moment. If I give her a crank you'll see the timing move to a maximum. Alright, so you can see she maintained her timing relationship there all the way up, pretty well up to red line, and she'll go beyond that, but I don't want to do that with an unloaded bike. I can show, we've got the other channel on there, but it probably doesn't show you much. Yeah, you can see it idling again. Hang on. There you go, and what we'll do is kill it and see how easy she is to start. And not so well. She's always, this one's always a bit recalcitrant when she's warm. And I'm just playing with the choke at the moment. So see how low we can get her. Alright, that's choke off now. She's still not registering on the temp gauge, but I don't know if I'll be able to capture this, but let me just try something for a sec. We'll try and show it at cranking. you might be able to see that there's a dwell extension, a late firing to make it easier to start. So hang on. Probably not able to see that, but anyway. What I will do is, if you hang on, I'll just put the standard modules back in. And you should be able to see very little difference. Just hang on. Right, modules out. Standard pair. Okay, here we go again. Alright, so that's the original ignition modules, and we'll go up here to the crow again. Just having a trouble, hang on, tripod moment. There we go. Alright, and you should be able to see the same sort of behaviour. Here we go. So there we go. That should be about it, guys. Okay.